Yeah, greetings people. Mosha. Coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge, Radio City Music Hall in Manhattan, New York. Alright, so on the move, take a little vacation for a minute. New York has changed since I left. It's crazy over here. I see all kinds of faces that I never saw when I was here. It's crazy. People from all over the world. Mexicans, Chinese, Indian, everybody's here. Wow. It was here before, but it wasn't this much. Radio City Music Hall. I'm gonna go see my boy Paul right now. Paul, what you dealing with, dude? Yeah, so a lot of people think that, oh, Mosha can't go back to America. Hey, eat your heart out, people. That's why you shouldn't talk bad about nobody, because you don't know people's business. I'm a private kind of person. I don't share my life with nobody. People coming up to me asking me all kind of questions. How old are you? You married? It's none of your business. Don't ask me how old I am. Don't ask me if I'm married. Don't ask me none of that. We're not dating. There ain't no reason for nobody to ask me them questions when I'm in my business. So yeah, all these people was talking crap about me. Oh, Mosha committed some kind of crime. He can't do this. He can't do that. Okay, well, boom. There I am, back in New York, with the help of the Most High. So people, I'll be opening up back again on the 20th. Should be back on the 24th. Should open on Monday. So if you didn't see me open, it's because I wasn't there. My business was closed. One love, peace out. Boom shack. And everybody's wearing freaking mask here.